Welcome to one of the most advanced electronics manufacturing facilities in the world. I'm taking you behind the scenes to show you exactly how your smartphone is built from scratch. This is where the magic begins, the automated component warehouse. Thousands of tiny electronic parts are stored here in perfect conditions, ready to become part of your next device. Every smartphone starts with a circuit board. These green PCBs are the brain of your phone, and today I'll show you how every single component gets placed with microscopic precision. This industrial printer is applying solder paste, a special mixture that will hold components in place. The accuracy here is measured in micrometers. Now watch this incredible machine. It's called a pick-and-place system, and it can position over 30,000 components per hour. Each chip, resistor, and capacitor is placed exactly where it needs to be. Next, the boards travel through a reflow oven. The heat melts the solder paste, permanently bonding each component to the circuit board. Temperature control here is absolutely critical. Coming out of the oven, every board gets inspected. Any defect at this stage could mean a faulty phone later. This is automated optical inspection. Cameras scan every millimeter of the board, comparing it against perfect specifications. Quality control is everything in this industry. Now we move to manual assembly areas. Some components still require the human touch, especially delicate parts like camera modules. Watch how carefully this technician installs the camera system. Steady hands and years of experience make all the difference. Battery installation is next. These robots apply adhesive with perfect consistency, ensuring your battery stays secure for years of use. The display is one of the most expensive components. It's assembled in a completely dust-free environment to prevent even a single particle from affecting your screen quality. Protective films are applied to keep screens pristine. This step might seem simple, but it requires incredible precision. Now comes testing. Lots of testing. Every phone is connected to diagnostic equipment that checks hundreds of functions simultaneously. Waterproofing is serious business. Each device goes through rigorous water resistance testing to meet IP ratings. Vibration tests simulate years of daily use in just minutes. If it can survive this, it can survive your pocket. Drop tests are crucial. We need to know exactly how these devices perform when accidents happen. This room contains thousands of phones running burn-in tests, operating for hours to identify any early failures before they reach customers. Software installation happens next. Robots connect dozens of phones at once, flashing the operating system and apps you'll use every day. Final inspection is incredibly detailed. Trained eyes examine every surface, every corner, every button. Packaging robots work at incredible speed, assembling boxes and placing phones with perfect care. Accessories are added automatically. Chargers, cables, everything you need arrives together. From here, phones move to logistics. Millions of devices ship. Wireless charging coils must be perfectly positioned for efficient power transfer. 5G antenna systems are complex. Multiple arrays enable the fast connectivity you expect. Moisture indicators help detect water damage. These tiny stickers are quality insurance. Regulatory labels go inside every device. Compliance with international standards is mandatory. Traceability is crucial. Every component is tracked throughout the entire production process. Flex cables connect motherboards to displays, cameras, and other components. Routing requires careful planning. Automated screwdrivers ensure consistent torque. Too tight or too loose could cause problems. Thermal paste helps dissipate heat from processors. Your phone's performance depends on proper cooling. Electromagnetic shields protect sensitive components from interference. The first power on is a critical moment. Each phone boots up for the very first time right here. Dead pixel testing catches any display defects before packaging. Touch response must be perfect across the entire screen. Automated testing verifies sensitivity. Audio quality testing ensures speakers meet specifications. Frequency response is carefully measured. Camera focus accuracy is verified with precision test charts. Every lens must perform flawlessly. Battery capacity testing confirms energy storage meets specifications. Your phone's battery life starts here. Connector durability testing simulates thousands of charging cycles. Ports must last for years. Button endurance testing clicks each button tens of thousands of times. Mechanical reliability matters. Oleophobic coating makes screens fingerprint resistant. This invisible layer keeps your display looking clean. Final cleaning brings each phone to showroom condition before packaging. Packaging itself is tested for protective qualities. Your phone must arrive perfect. Accessory quality control ensures chargers and cables are safe and reliable. User manuals are printed in multiple languages for global distribution. Opening a finished box reveals the result of hundreds of precise steps and countless hours of engineering. Shipping preparation begins. Products are organized for distribution worldwide. Logistics coordinates delivery to every corner of the globe. Your phone's journey is just beginning. Environmental testing. Continuous improvement suggestions come from workers. Everyone contributes to excellence. AI-powered vision systems represent the future of quality control. Technology and expertise combine. Collaborative robots work alongside humans. The future is human-machine partnership. Research partnerships with universities drive innovation. Progress requires collaboration. Smart factory dashboards provide complete visibility. Digital transformation enables better decisions. Automated testing sequences ensure comprehensive validation. Zero defects is the goal. There's real satisfaction in manufacturing excellence. Every perfect phone represents countless correct decisions. Production continues around the clock. 24/7 operations serve global demand. Walking through this facility, you see technology and humanity working in perfect harmony. As I leave, production continues. Thousands of workers and hundreds of machines creating tomorrow's technology. Outside, the facility operates endlessly. Inside these walls, innovation never sleeps. This is modern manufacturing, where precision meets scale, where technology meets craftsmanship, where your smartphone comes to life.